ও ভাই রাসেল ভাই, থ্যাংক ইউ। আমি যে হাতের মধ্যে আমি অলওয়েজ খাওয়ানো থাকি। আমার এক ফ্রেন্ড বলছে এত কাজ থেকে যাই কই, মেটাবলিজম অনেক হাই। Wadia, look at the color of the chicken. It's not chicken, it's Baba's birthday cake. Baba's birthday cake.
What color is it?
It's something else. Okay, yeah. Rafat, just get the smell, the pungent.
I can't smell it from here.
No, come here and get the pungent.
Alright.
The pungent is so intense. You might tell because you like it's not an Asian spice. It's not Asian spice.
Those ribs or this chicken?
Especially the chicken one is not an Asian spice. I got it from Africa.
Oh, cool.
And I marinated it. Some of my friends from Africa, Europe, I got it from Africa. Like this is something good.
Oh, then it's gonna be spicy then.
Maybe a little bit, but I hope so. Work well. It's a strip, yeah. There we go. The strip is gonna be a little honey tasted. It's the strip's got a dash of honey and real honey from the Du Bois farm. Well, who is thinking watermelon sugar from Harry's style?
Sir, I'm vegan.
You like Harry's style? You know Harry's style? Sunshine.
ভিডিও করে না।
Okay.
It's been a while, but I'm coming out of